Hi, it's Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services. Looking forward to seeing you at your appointment soon. Just wanted to give you a few tips and pointers about coming to our clinic. We are located in Shopping Center, the Boykin Shopping Center at 7902 Northwest 36th Street, and we're on the second floor, suite 207. So when you come, you'll see that we have parking in both the front of the building and in the back of the building. And there's plenty of parking, super easy. There's a lot of handicap parking if you need as well. If you come during the lunchtime, since we have a ton of different restaurants below us, it's going to be busy parking in the front, but there's tons of parking in the back that's really close to the building as well. We have stairs on both sides of the building that is easy for you to come up to the second floor. But if you prefer to use the elevator, then the elevator is going to be right next to the Japanese restaurant downstairs. Take the elevator up to us, and this is our space right here. Come on in. It's Hands-On Therapy Services. Come in and make yourself at home. Have a seat anywhere you'd like. Say hi to Latricia. She's one of our therapists that will be working with you. And Dilce will help you with getting you started in your therapy appointment. She's doing the camera work, so she can't be behind to say hi to you, but you'll see her soon enough. So come have a seat anywhere you like, and we'll get you started. So I just wanted to give you a little tour of our office. I actually have a funny story. When we first started over 3 years ago, I started in a much smaller office. It was an office inside of a building. And so you didn't get to see it the way you get to see it, you know, right from the street the way we are now. But I was in a much smaller space. It was about 350 square feet, really small office, and it was just me started. And one of my first patients, her name is Pilar. She had a shoulder surgery, and she was actually referred to me from a fellow therapist friend because she couldn't keep going to where she was going. She needed a place with the late appointments, but she was used to going to a hospital type of environment where you come in, you sit at some waiting room that's completely cut off from everyone else, and it's a really big space. So she comes into my my office. Oh, and by the way, my name is Huang, but a lot of people actually call me Juanita, and she was referred to me calling me Juanita. So she comes in and she sees an Asian woman. She's like, "¿Dónde es Juanita?" She's looking around for someone who she would think is Juanita. So I said, "Well, you know, I'm Juanita." And she has a sling because she had shoulder surgery. And she comes in and she was like, "What is this place? You know, it's so small." And, you know, I looked at her, "Well, Pilar, how big do you need it to be? It's just you and I. There's no one else here. I'm going to give you my whole undivided attention." She's like, "Well, okay, then it's perfect." So that's my story of how I got started. But now, as you can see, I'm in a much bigger space. We have where you can come in, you can have a seat anywhere, talk to Dilce, and we have a couple of different places where you can just make yourself at home. And then here's our therapy table where you can start working with Latricia. A lot of times we might start here at the table, a lot of times we might start here on the mat. We switch from place to place depending on what your needs are. Come and follow me, and we have our bathroom inside our office as well. And you keep following me. We're gonna go all the way back here. And what we like to do is we like to be silly, we like to be honest, and we like to be kind.